So let me start the server and go to the Chrome browser and type that URL. You can see that home page is coming on, and by going to /wiki/css we can get that CSS page, and by typing HTML we can get that HTML page, and by typing Python we can get that Python page, and similarly for Git as well. Suppose if we type something which is not exist, you can see that that is not exist. So this is our home page. By clicking on individual items we can go to those pages and can actually see what are the contents are present on those items. And this is the Python page, and this is the search bar. By typing here we can see that related results. If we type something which is exist, it will directly redirect to that, and if not exist, it will show us related results. And if we type something which is not reliable, it will show that no such entry exists. And after that we can also create a new page for us. So let us name our new page as Bootstrap. So let us give some description for Bootstrap. The description in the form of markdown content. So this is the heading. So this is the content which we want to return into a Bootstrap page, and we can save that page. You can see that Bootstrap page have been saved, and we can also see that Bootstrap have been saved here. And if again we try to create a page which is already exists, like if we try to save Python, and if we type save, it will show that entry already exists. So after that we can also edit the existing pages. If we want to edit JavaScript, you can see an edit button here. You can click here. JavaScript makes website dynamic. So if I want to save, we can click that save button, and we can see that our content has been added. And after that editing our page, we can show here there is a random page. By clicking, some random page will be displayed, and if we again click, so like this is home page, some random pages will be displayed. And we can also convert. Let us go to CSS page and convert. Let us try some readmd formats. Let us try to put a list. It will be automatically converted into RMD format. You can see that list has been appeared here. It is like an order list, so we can edit whatever we want. Suppose if we want to edit Python, you can see here. Let us make this text italicized, so it will be in the form of italics. So you can see here it is in the form of italics. In this way we can also convert the contents into the form of from readmd, and we can render it in the form of normal HTML elements. Thank you.